List of Korean dramas on boss and employee relationship.
Number 10. Drama.
When a young, energetic employee joins a public relations firm with an introverted and severely misunderstood boss, she makes it her life's mission to show the world who he really is. Chero-on has one simple goal in life: to expose the big boss man on Hwan-ki for who he really is and take her revenge. She blames him for her family's downfall.
Number 9. Drama.
An advertisement contractor who is unlucky in love, Goho works hard to be successful in his career and only thinks of romance as an afterthought. But one day, an old flame turns up, taking on the role of her new boss, and suddenly it seems like every man is looking her way. Will the dust settle long enough for her to make the right romantic choices?
Number 8. Drama.
Ji-wook is a brainiac prosecutor and Eun-bong-hee is a rookie Justice Department intern who always seems to find herself in the most unfortunate and embarrassing situations. Bong-hee is falsely accused of murdering her ex-boyfriend and Ji-wook gets demoted because he risks his career and reputation to save Bong-hee this time. This drama has 40 episodes.
Number 7. Drama.
Do-min-ik is an intelligent, perfectionist man with the heart of stone and the chief of Team 1 at TNT Mobile Media, who always relies on his secretary, the hot-tempered Jung Gal-hee. Although she diligently carries out the tasks her mean boss instructs her to do, she does not hold back in saying what she wishes to say. Will an office romance blossom?
Number 6. Drama.
Bong-sun, a timid young woman, is possessed by the ghost of a lustful virgin. She has zero self-confidence and because of her extreme shyness, she doesn't have any close friends. At the restaurant where she works as an assistant, she is not particularly good at anything and mostly just gets yelled a lot. Her grandmother was a shaman, so from a young age she has been able to occasionally see ghosts.
Number 5. Drama.
Nestled deep in the heart of Seoul's thriving downtown sits a curious hotel like of which no one has ever seen before. Or beyond my year, the building has stood for millennia. This is run by a greedy and suspicious soul named Jang Man, bound to hotel by Diti who keeps her there to save her from going berserk and self-destructing with rage-hatred.
Number 4. Drama.
Sung-gyeol has wealth and good looks but suffers from severe misophobia. He is obsessed with cleaning and even owns a cleaning company. However, he meets a carefree and untidy girl named Og-sol after she enters his company as a new employee. Og-sol has worked all sorts of part-time jobs while striving for a full-time job and does not have luxury to date or be clean.
Number 3. Drama.
Temu is a CEO of a company that his grandfather founded. One day, his grandfather informed him of an upcoming blind date that he set up for him. Temu is workaholic and he is annoyed that his grandfather sets up blind dates for him. He decides to marry the next woman whom he meets on a blind date so he won't be disturbed by his work anymore. That woman is Shinhari, but she is pretending to be Yongso, the real date of him.
Number 2. Drama.
The series revolves around the narcissistic Lee Young-jun, the vice president of a company run by his family. He's very self-absorbed and thinks highly of himself so much that he barely acknowledges the people around him. Young-jun has a capable and patient secretary, Kim Mi-so, who has remained by his side and worked diligently for 9 years without any romantic involvement.
Number 1. Drama.
Do Bong-sun is a petite, unemployed woman who is honest and kind. She appears little and sweet on outside, but she is in fact very, very strong. For generations in her family, women have been gifted Herculean strength to use for the greater good. If abused, however, their power will be taken away. Because of his powers, she is hired by the CEO of a company. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this.